These red onions our consume for just only 2 weeks, and 1 kilogram equivalent to 160 rupees. Sometimes it costs high and sometimes it costs low. But by this time, I think 160 rupees, because I asked Fahad. He said 160 rupees per kilogram. So if you convert that in Philippines, in peso, equivalent to 32 pesos 1 kilogram. So it costs 800 rupees, this 5 kilograms of red onions. Because here in Pakistan, it's very usable, because every day we are using onions to fry or saute. Especially when we are cooking this biryani, we need much of onions. For example, if you cook 1 kilogram rice or 1 kilogram of biryani, then you can use a half kilogram of these onions, white onions or red onions. I think white onions is more cheaper than these red onions. You see, as you can see. Here in here in Pakistan, we are not buying by piece. Not compared there in Philippines, we are buying a small piece of onions. Because here, we are not using only one piece. We are using even vegetable. We have to cook vegetable curry. We have to use more than like this, like that. So if we cook biryani or this chicken curry, chicken clay or mutton curry, then we need to use more onions. In our neighbors here, they are buying one sack of these onions, 50 kilogram, 20 kilograms, and they are what they need is they have to remove the skin, they have to peel it out, and then they will slice it, and they will fry it, and they have to stack it. So in our neighbor, before 2 months ago, I visited their house. Then I see their stack of onions. I asked them why you have too much onions. Then they said they are frying this one, and they have to stack it, they have to fry it, they have to brown the onions. So that is more easy, also a nice idea. But for me, no, because my husband said he like more fresh onions to use, especially when I cook every day. Must be we have to use saute onions, fresh onions. You see, as you can see. And I don't know in Philippines how much this kind, how much 1 kilo there in Philippines in this kind of onions. But I'm sure nobody is consuming also stock in their house to buy onions 1 kilogram. I know because my before also, of course, I'm living there in Philippines for almost, of course, I'm native from Philippines, so I know this kind of onions. They are not we are not stocking in house. Just we are buying like this small onions, and I don't know how much this cost there in Philippines like this. How much this? I think 1 peso to 2 pesos or 3 pesos like that. So I don't know. So correct me if I'm wrong. If you are using only this kind of onions, especially when you are cooking something like this pancit or anything. So here in Pakistan, must be we have to buy by kilo. So by 5 kilogram, we are buying by 5 kilogram. Then I'm sure this is not enough for 2 weeks, because especially my husband, if he's the one who cook, he's using too much onions. Like this, he will use this kind of onions. Yan, o, tingnan nyo ang lalaki. But for me, may pagkakuripot din ako, tipid-tipid. So, pag ako ang nagluluto, kunti-kunti lang. Tama na yung ganito. Ito, malaki na ito eh. But if biryani, I use more. Like this, I have to use maybe like this, like that. Oh, ayan, ang lalaki, oh. Ayan. Oh, ito, malaki din, oh. Ayan, oh. Oh, ayan. Ayan. 5 kilogram ito. Ayan. Yesterday, naubusan ako ng sibuyas. So, nagluto ako kahapon ng cow liver. So, I borrowed up. So, I have to return also what I borrowed yesterday. Tatlo yung hiniram ko. Sabi ko lang na I want to borrow onions because I don't have available. I don't have stock. So, she gave me this like this. She gave me this like that. Ayan. Yan yung binigay niya. Yan. So, ganyan din yung aking ibabalik. So, if you borrow something, must be we have to return. Dito sa lugar ko kasi malayo sa sa tindahan. So, that's why we are buying consume like 5 kilogram, 5 kilogram of sugar, 5 kilogram of rice, and then 1 bottle of cooking oil, and then salt. Yung stock ba sa sa monthly na na pangangailangan dito sa kusina, like this flour, 2 sacks yung aming ini-stock. Pag si Fahad ang kumukuha ng mga konsumo doon sa yun kung saan kami kumukuha. Monthly din yung pagbayad namin. Pag nagpadala yung aking bayaw, yun magbabayad kami. So doon kami kumukuha ng ng mga konsumo namin para sa sa daily needs. Like sugar, tea, cooking oil, and the rest hindi na kami bumibili yung bawang, kamatis. Yung kamatis sa na sa market na. Pero by this time, still we are not buying because we have our own cherry tomatoes. And by this time, I think it's very expensive tomatoes. My husband said it cost 400 rupees 1 kilogram. So ito din mura nga din itong sibuyas eh. Ayan ang laki oh. Tapos yung mga pa ba yung mga konsumo namin for monthly. Yung mga masala, yung turmeric powder, chili powder, pa ba? Salt. Pa ba yung mga yung daily na usable na ginagamit ko. Yun. Everyday talaga mantika, gisa-gisa. Yung luto dito sa Pakistan. Kahit gulay, gisa mo. So, need talaga ang sibuyas, bawang, kamatis. Everyday yan na luto, pabalik-balik. So, ito lang yung aking update ngayon. Itong sibuyas. Ang sibuyas. Ayan. Kaya comment na lang kayo kung magkano ang presyo ng sibuyas dyan sa Pilipinas. Like this, magkano yan? Ganito, kaliit, magkano yan in peso? Yan.